What happens if you do push-ups every day? Hi there, no time for gym this week? That's rough, but here's the good news. You can still get in a good workout. How often do you do push-ups? They're among the most basic exercise invented. If your physical strength crucial to your job, you're doing them on the regular. This includes everyone from athletes to military personnel. Let's discuss the benefits of doing push-ups every day. But before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and support us for more interesting videos like this, and turn on notification so you never miss our videos. First of all, to make the most of every push-ups, it's important to focus on maintaining proper form. This will help reduce the risk of injury while engaging all the right muscles to build strength efficiently. Get into the plank position. Keep your arms straight, avoid looking the elbows. Your palms should be flat on the floor and your wrists, elbows, and shoulders should be aligned. Engage your core so that your back doesn't sag downward. Aim to maintain a straight spine from your neck to your hips. Bend your elbows to 90 degrees in a slow and controlled motion. Push yourself back up to the plank position. As you get stronger, you might work on holding the down position or bringing your chin or your chest all the way to the floor before pushing back up. Now that you know how to do a push-up, let's answer the question. What happens if you do push-ups every day? Number 1. You can strengthen multiple muscles at once. When you do a push-up, you work multiple muscles at the same time. Push-ups help strengthen your chest muscle, shoulders, triceps, biceps, and upper back muscles. Moreover, because you must maintain proper form throughout the push-up movement, you'll have to keep your core, hip, and leg muscles engaged as well. If you're searching for an exercise that will strengthen both your upper and lower body, the push-up is an excellent one to add to your routine. Number 2. Improves your muscle definition. With standard push-ups, your hands are shoulder width apart. This works your triceps. With wide push-ups, the distance between your hands is twice a line. This will pump your chest. With narrow push-ups, your hands are placed closer together. This benefits both your triceps and pectorals. With forward push-ups, your hands are a shoulder width apart, except they are placed about 20 centimeters in front. Backward push-ups have your hands placed 20 centimeters behind. Both forward and backward methods work your abs and back muscles. Number 3. Your joints receive some help. Forget looking cut for a second. Let's discuss your joints. Your joints are the part of the body where 2 or more bones meet. This allows them to properly function. If they have been suffering lately, it is probably best you begin a push-ups regimen. Number 4. Push-ups help prevent cardiovascular problems. Push-ups can greatly benefit your cardiovascular system. The exercise forces you hard to work harder, in turn producing oxygen. This oxygen is then sent to your muscles, tissues. But in order for you to get the best results, you need to go hard. So, are you ready to add push-ups to your daily routine? The push-up is a powerful and comprehensive body weight exercise that provides many obvious benefits. You can do it anywhere, anytime, and use it to build a stronger, healthier body. Now is the perfect time to add this exercise to your workout routine and take your fitness to the next level. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for support us and more videos like this. And thanks for watching.